You can now create a complete short video in less than 5 minutes with a single prompt just using your phone with the new InVideo AI app on the App Store. Once you install the app, open it and sign in to your account. Here you can choose from YouTube Explainer, YouTube Short, Recent Event Video, or Script to Video. We'll choose YouTube Short. Here, give it the video idea. Let's go with make a short video about the differences between cats and dogs. We can add instructions like use simple English and make it funny. From settings, you can select the voiceover you prefer and add subtitle. Now, tap on Generate Video. Here you can select the audience, look and feel, and the platform. Click Continue and your video would be ready in minutes.
Cats versus dogs, an age-old debate. Who's the ultimate pet champion? Let's dive in.
You can always edit anything in the video with just typing a prompt. For example, change the voiceover to a male British. You can also replace any media in the generated video. Once you are happy, hit Export, choose the export settings, and then you can upload your exported video to your social media.